Hi, I'm Dark Pink Dark Bumblebee Bird.
And I'm Dark Fire Dreamy Bowser. And today, we're going to blast a bazooka at Thiago 2206's house. Ha 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 ha.
Yes, we blasted a bazooka at Thiago 2206's house.
I agree, Dark Pink Dark Bumblebee Bird. Serves him right for getting our troublemaking friends and Dark Bumblebee Bird friends into trouble.
Oh no, it's Thiago 2206. We're busted.
Oh, my, freaking, God. Dark Pink Dark Bumblebee Bird and Dark Fire Dreamy Bowser. I cannot believe you blasted a bazooka at my house. Now my house is completely destroyed because of you two. That's it. I'm calling your parents. And after that, I'm calling the repairman to repair my house that you two have blasted. Go home right now.
Dark Pink Dark Bumblebee Bird. How dare you blast a bazooka at Thiago 2206's house? You know that doing that was a crime. That's it. You are grounded for 18 days.
Go upstairs to your room right now.
Dark Fire Dreamy Bowser. We can't believe you blast a bazooka at Thiago 2206's house. You should be ashamed of yourself, young man. That's it. You are grounded for 27 days.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.
Yeah.